Want to prioritize your favorite Snapchat conversations and ensure you never miss a message from your closest friends? This video will guide you through the process of pinning someone on Snapchat, making it easier to stay connected with the people who matter most. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Let's see how you can pin someone on Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Tap on the chat icon from the bottom. Locate the chat you want to pin. This can be an individual chat or a group chat. Press and hold on to the chat you want to pin. A pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up menu, select Chat and Notification Settings. Then choose Pin Conversation. A pin icon will appear next to the chat, indicating it has been successfully pinned to the top of your chat screen. You can pin multiple chats to keep your most important conversations easily accessible. With these easy steps, you can now pin your favorite people on Snapchat and ensure you never miss a message from those who matter most. Organize your chats, prioritize conversations, and stay connected with ease. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.